Hello everyone, it's fantastic to have you back. Today, I will show you how to show the piping flow arrow in an orthographic drawing in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. First, open the required project in Project Manager. Then, right-click on the project name and select Project Setup from context menu to open the project setup. In the project setup, start by navigating to Plant 3D DWG settings, then Plant 3D class definitions, followed by piping and equipment, and finally select Pipe Run component. In the Ortho Annotation Setup section on the right, click Add Annotation button to create a new symbol and annotation style for the flow arrow. A Symbol Settings dialog box will pop up. Enter symbol name as flow arrow in the Symbol Properties section. In the Other Properties section, click on the drop-down next to Use Leader option and choose No. Under Orientation, click the drop-down and select Aligned. Click OK. In the Ortho Annotation Setup section on the right, click the Edit Block button. In the block editor, remove the old annotation and draw an arrow in your desired style. Click the Save Block button to apply the changes to the block. Next, click the Close Block Editor button. Click OK to save your changes and exit the project setup. Now, switch to the Orthographic DWG tab. Create a new orthographic drawing or open the existing one you need. Double-click in the layout to access the model space. Select the pipe, right-click on it, go to Ortho Annotate, and choose the new annotation, Flow Arrow, then place it at the center of the pipe. Repeat these steps for all pipes as needed. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.